isa na dito yung, well, bahay ko po. Paborito ko kasi kailangan kong ibanggitin talaga Kalesa. At marami pang iba siyempre. Ladies and gentlemen, hey! Good morning. Welcome.
Maayong udto.
Oh, maayong udto. Anybody can speak Filipino here sa inyo? Hindi masyado.
Not really.
Bisaya.
Bisaya, gamay.
Bisaya naman ka?
Akong mga ginikanan.
Asa man?
Taga Davao.
Davao. Okay. Yung bagong kanta nyo ngayon, Harinawa. Okay, tell us about this song. Kasi
it's our latest single from her current album called Kundiman. It's the third installment. Well, basically the song Harinawa means God permit. So it's a very spiritual and personal song. And we just shot the video a couple of days ago. Lalabas na siya hopefully by the end of the month. So we encourage everyone to watch out for the video at your local favorite music station channels.
Okay, channel, video niya. Ano yung pinaka-latest ngayon sa Hail? Dapat abangan ng mga pinapapolog.
Aside from the video, well, just a lot of gigs, and yeah, we're ready to promote the new single Harinawa, and well, for now that's it. We're just gigging and promoting the single, and then still promoting the album. That's it.
Okay. Yung mga bandmates mo, alam ko kasi mas kilala mo sila. So, this time, kumbaga, ikaw yung magiging DJ. Paki-introduce sa kanila at ano yung, alam mo talaga, no? Mga inside na alam mo sa kanila.
Alam mo, sa totoo lang, mas maganda ako ang i-introduce ko muna. May special guest tayo dito si Kuya Kim. Siya na mag-i-introduce sa mga kabanda.